Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch Premier League on mobile. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open our browser. All you have to do is to open your browser right here. And then once you open your browser, on the search bar, we're going to search for Watch Premier League and then click on Enter. After that, in this part, if you scroll down, you will see a bunch of streaming platforms that offers Premier League right here, such as Peacock, ESPN, YouTube TV, and much more. Now, all you have to do is to choose your streaming platform. Let's say, for example, that you've chosen YouTube TV. So we're going to click on YouTube TV right here. Once you do that, you will be redirected into this part. So all you have to do is to sign in into your account if you already have one. However, if you don't have an account yet, just click on Try It Free. So once you click on Try It Free, just log in into your account. Once you've logged in into your account, just put your zip code right here and then click on Enter. And then once you do that, all you have to do is to choose your package right here. So just choose the plan that you want to use and then click on Next. After that, click on Checkout once again. And then after that, in this part, of course, you'll just have to select your payment method. So we have here credit card or debit card. We also have here PayPal and of course Cash App. So let's say, for example, we're going to use our credit card right here. So just click on it, click on credit card, and then just put, of course, your card info. And then once you put your card info, just click your start membership right here. And once you've clicked your start membership, you're now going to be able to watch Premier League on mobile. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.